I am recording.
Wait, boss, help me now.
So, this is my
sure.
grinder. They've trapped me so I can't do anything.
I'll be back in a minute to help.
I
Yeah,
can't
I'm just.
TP
Can I borrow
anywhere.
the sticky pistons?
I'm stuck. And
There.
this is fuck. This is my spawn. I made this, and they've done. They can't just steal it. It's bullshit. There you go. That's one of them, and that's the other one.
Wait, MrPandurp,
Yeah.
are they?
What?
Would I be able to TPA to you?
No, you'd be stuck in a one block. They've like trapped me in the corner because they saw where I spawned in.
Alright.
They're Jews. I fucking hate them.
Right, go call Johnny Fishman and try to find your place from the mainlands. Wait, can I TP you when you're on the mainlands? I'll just find that myself.
What are they gonna screenshot? Trying to glitch out, Panda.
Wait.
Whoa, yeah, you're gonna ban me for that?
Alright, wait, do call. Wait, force TPA to me. The call.
Alright, no, I just want to get a bit more of this. I want to see what they're saying, because I've got fraps up, I'm going to upload to YouTube, and I'm going to show Josh.
Heavy monster. Stack me.
Okay.
Oh, that's fucked how they can overprotect it. I put so much time into this spawner.
Where is it? I don't know, I'm just randomly flying out into the end. Why can't we just TPA to Josh?
They're trying to screenshot me for trying to glitch out of a block. Oh, Teddy wants to TP to me, I'll just accept it. Oh no, I can't do that either. I can't.
Oh, that's is that what he's saying? Is that wait, Vosnick, I think? Yeah. Oh no, I found master, guys.
Fucking hell. Something better be dealt with.
E. No. Dirt.
Bullshit.
Dirt. I like the panda. Do you like the panda? Shut up. Panda's your shit. Oh, with TPA. Wait, Bosniak.
What?
Help me.
I'm just almost finished. Yeah.
Dude, I found Dino. Just keep spamming that. Wait, TPA accept.
Alright, I'm just gonna write out the name.
Wait, you need to F neutral me. Bosniak, F neutral pandas.
Hold on. What's the other one guy's name?
/F neutral pandas. Okay.
Oh, will the mods do anything?
No. Wait.
Actually, yeah, no, I'm not even gonna get involved.
What one should I delete? XP? Wait, enemy disguising. Yeah. Set. Pan. Help.
Bullshit. I claim this land first. I put all my fucking effort into this.
Wait, I killed that Hinge Gnonidu guy.
Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna render this and upload to YouTube.